If cleaning your house makes you feel calm, your brain is trying to tell you something. And no, it has nothing to do with hygiene. Ever noticed how some people don't just clean? They enjoy it? Not, I'll clean when guests come. People. I mean the ones who vacuum at midnight, align cushions like soldiers, and feel peace after wiping a table that was already clean. At first glance, you think, wow, disciplined person. But psychology says, pause. There's more happening here. So what's really going on inside the mind of people who love cleaning their home? Let's start with the real reason. Control. Life is chaotic. Deadlines, money stress, relationships, notifications every 5 seconds. Most of life feels uncontrollable. But cleaning a room? That's something the brain can win at. You touch something, you change it, you see results, and the brain quietly says, okay, at least this is under control. It's not about dust, it's about control. Now the second reason, and this one hits deep. Mental clarity. For many people, a messy room equals a messy mind. Clutter increases stress, it overloads the brain. So when someone cleans, their mind actually feels lighter. That's why people clean when they're anxious, when they're overthinking, when they can't sit still. They're not avoiding problems, they're calming their nervous system. Cleaning becomes therapy, without the bill. Now let's talk about dopamine. Most goals in life are slow. Fitness takes months, success takes years, healing takes time. Cleaning doesn't. Messy to clean, before to after, chaos to order, fast. The brain loves visible progress. It releases dopamine because it thinks, I fixed something. Even if you didn't fix your life, you fixed the room. And your brain counts that as a win. Now the fourth reason, and this one is subtle: identity. For some people, being clean is part of who they are. A clean home makes them feel responsible, stable, put together. It's a silent flex. No photos, no validation, just inner calm. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some people clean when they're avoiding emotions. Heartbreak, clean. Stress, clean. Feeling lost in life, deep clean the kitchen at 2 a.m. Psychologists call this displacement activity, doing something manageable when emotions feel overwhelming. And no, it's not unhealthy. It's one of the safest coping mechanisms. But there is a line. When cleaning brings peace, it's healthy. When cleaning feels compulsory, it's anxiety in disguise. Same behavior, different psychology. And now the final truth. People who love cleaning their home are not obsessed with cleanliness. They're obsessed with clarity. They don't want a perfect house. They want a quiet mind. So the next time you feel the urge to clean for no reason, pause. Your brain might be telling you exactly what it needs. And if this video felt uncomfortably accurate, that's why you stayed till the end.